Sanibonani guys, how you guys? Ngibhalela uSisi awushozi inkinga zami ziningi. Ngina 36 but inkinga zami ngathi umuntu ona 80 years old. Cause bophelo baka buthakathakane to an extent ukuthi nama ngisazi ukuthi ngifanele ngithathe iphi direction. uSisi uthi awushozi mina bengiyintombazana like ehamba ukuhlolwa, like bengihlolwa and bengijulile ukuthi vele mina icookie yami idloshiwa kolingalo angeke izedliwe idle iboyfriend kilobona uthi ivele ibe kanjalo uthi ngingena isikolo ngicede ngithi university mangifike university awusithozi di temptations over the table thing uthi mangifike university hayi kube indaba zokuthi sisaqala vele sa explore impilo or awusithozi for me ukuthi ngingalalani I decided ukuthi ngidayithana ne-lesbian because I wanted to explore my body. Sigam so to see so uthandi uthi awusozi ngaditha this lady this girl ngadithana naye beka lesbian. So nami I decided to tap into indaba leza bu lesbian because I want to save virginity yami engafuni ukuthi iluzeke because I know ukuthi umfana will want me ukuthi ngimvulele ikhukicha and bengeke ngize ngivule ikhukicha until ngize ngishade. Uthi ngathana na this lady azange kube ukuthi mina naye like we do dilotsela ubona ugela uthi vele mina no girl lo the lesbian simpheni igama sothu uLindo so thandi noLindo kube umuntu right kimi angiphatha kahle and ngimtshela ukuthi I don't want ikhukicha yami ithibuluha ngiphatla equality ubona. So uthi like she respected iwish yami azange kube umuntu ukuthi uyangiforce ngenza into ngiyazifuni wangilalela ngasave ikhukicha yami kanjalo but the relationship beyimnandi stuff like that ubona explore like each other's bodies bekumnandi but my cookie I save. Uthi sathi thana for 3 years and then from there nawaceda mina ngasala ngenza i4th yami uqina and then nasahambile saluza i-contact like that. Or awushozi hayi kube ukuthi nami ngiyaceda ke ngithola internship another province ngiyamuva nguya kwenye indawo uthi impilo vele icale vele iflow kitlwayele bantu manje sengifuna ukujola phela manje sengifuna indoda ke nali that feeling or ke batla monna iklobona uthi mangenze internship ngihlangana this guy bekasebenza futhi ibuilding yethu lasebenzela khona ingapha then umgwaqo then ngapha like each and every time mangokha bekanongibona ngibulisa hi Maki usebenza ngapha in as introducer kanjalo yabona kube ukuthi vele sesaqala vele sajwayelana like that and then acala esi friendship ngamtshela ngathi hayi mina intombazana so umuntu ohlolwayo ngiseseyintombi ntonto ubona. So uthi one day yena nama friends wakhe like bebana this party so uguy told abangani bakhe ukuthi une girlfriend mina ngokuthi girlfriend yakhe uthande of which bebangasi girlfriend and boyfriend ngaleso sikhathi. So our friends were like our friends wakhe bathi ay invite uBarrel ezela uthi ayi guy uyangifonela hi Thandi bengicela ukuthi uzela ne party ngiyawu invite sihleli namajita namantombazana wabo ayeza. So mina I decided to invite you as my friend efonini makasho uthi awushozi athi ngizokuparishela prepare yourself maybe izofika in 30 minutes time then izokuletha lathina sikhona uthi awushozi because nambe nganabangani bengiphila le mpilo ukuthi ngihlala nge-indoors. So I decided to you know what let me go and explore mani indawo yabona la ngisebenzela khona hayi easy vele ifiki uba ngigibele ngihambe vele ingise kuba shemani ku-Brian uthi mangifika ngithola ama girls hayi kube mnandi sazane nabo girl sivibe kube mnati Tommy Renwe decide hayi kube mnandi uthi awusithozi ngithi mina isayida ngikhonqona ngiphuza wine guy offered to buy me a bottle of wine or awusithozi wine lemili that thing itloirela mathatha uthi hayi ngiphuze uthi ngiyaqala ke manje sengidipsinyana but like ikidipsiwa hore ka khona ubona hore kidirang ubona angisi tips lokuthi angiboni ukuthi kwenzakalani uguy sisaqala siya dance together nandu guy the guy sithi Simon hayi mina no Simon sisaqala vele siya dance together bese my friends angisho uthi sisaqala siya dance awu Simon siyaqala vele so yaba touch or lena I'm allowing it because body I dirile ke wine hore e batle ke yo bona uthi makabhiza angibamba bami uthi nami like I'm allowing it nama aqala ngibamba bama nami ngiyambamba bama uthi ugayigcinene vele angiphulile side athi hayi mina marathandi like ngiyakuthanda wona oro wine ela awusjozi le na kere ke awrat or mshimana arle Roma hodi ma di lips jack uthi athile Roma uthi ngithile Roma back uthi athile Roma ngithile Roma back okay was like how about see ditche this party siye kwami or awusjozi angizange ngale tell me ukuthi wayebengali azange ngale ngavele ngavuma ngahamba ibhekambe ngibeke phansi esitulweni besitshele vele ngaphandle uthi ibheki yesitulweni uthi ngabe sengigijima ngilanda ibheki ugayi ayokumathi uthi ayi mina guys thina siyahamba I went to the ladies mina ngifika ama ladies ngathi ukuthi uSimon umngani wami so I was like hey mina ladies ngiyahamba so one of the girls at I went are you sure ukuthi you want to leave no Simon uyeka Simon are you sure uthi ngathi girl ngicela ukwazi lana so please don't judge me ngiyahamba or awusjozi kibekitsi ya bheki uSimoni angivulele umnyango wemoto ngithi phakathi inside si drive seka Simon but along the way I'm not drinking so ungofara amanzi uthi nokuphuza amanzi so ngiphuza amanzi I think ukuthi he was trying to make me ukuthi ngibone ukuthi lento leso yenza mfuthu uyenze ungasi tipsy yabona so uthi hayi masifika lapha yanendlini kakhe vele sichile avulela music angibuza ukuthi ngithelele another glass of wine na get yes naye avule ibeer yakhe sihlale phansi sicoce or awusjozi because of kina wine inyaka something else ikilobona uthi makacoce so akhuluma ngimbeka ama lips or awusjozi ingqondo yami ichiqabula lo muntu ngiqaphule futhi ori besihlele sofeni ne like this uSimondo yimlo yabona kuna this space la beyabe khona ama into le uthi la between amasobe yabe khona ama cushions yabona so bekuna le space so kikam ngidi cushions mo so uthi awushozi ngicela ngisusela ama cushions ngwabekela phezulu kwamo like mohodi wardrobe tsaka so ngifuna scuba in ukusondela ku brothers yabona so or I vele ngisondele vele ku brothers uthi ngimbuze ukuthi if mina nawe singayenza date tonight kungaba ukuthi ngirona okay I was like no I don't want to ukuthi kusasa feeling ngathi take advantage of you and you told me ukuthi intombi do so I don't want ukuthi kusasa uzisole ngithi izishino yenze manje udips rather if you want us ukuthi sihlangane like simrebe mu rather we do it in the morning than now girl was like no give atla hona no Nina uthando awusjozi akerke batla hona no nekintse ke tlhobotse top kusetse ka bra uthi ngibona ukuthi uSimon uyafuna ukungcaba ne but mili ore ingqondo ithe mara mili ore ya or awusjozi ngabe sengikhumula ibra ngilahla phansi uthi I haven't done anything nomfana but lelalanga because of the wine bengiphushela izintweni lezi bengizifuna engqondweni but like bengizimina ngize kilitima tsona uthayi kube ukuthi mina nomfana siyaqhubeka ke sithi Romini daba hodi mhataba kwenziwe yonke into kwefele uthi ekseni awusjozi manje phela iwine iphumile uthi mangivuka vele ngithola igay vele ungibambile ke sikhatlile yabona so uthi mangivuka like beke sina regret but bengifeel ukuthi ngiphoshe izinto ukuthi ngize ngifike ukuthi ngilala nolomuntu lona yena kungasiwuye bekafuna ukulala ukuthi like bekeli judge for that uthi ayivele angibona ukuthi ngivukile naye avuke angibulisa njani uthi first thing angibuze nathi any regrets ngahleka ngasmile ngathi no regrets uthi brothers was like okay so indaba ukuthi ngiyakuthanda uyibeka kuphi or awusjozi angisakhona phela ukwala manje lo muntu sengilele naye and bengakazimisela ukuthi angaba umuntu wami yet uthi awusjozi kadumela kathi no I can give you a chance ukuthi mina nawe sibe boyfriend and girlfriend uthi vele umjolo waqala kanjalo ke mina no Simon uthandi uthi ivele relationship icale kanjalo ke icale bajolo or awusjozi uSimon akanamali like is one of those guys like abaphila from paycheck to paycheck, so sometimes siyashota ngizomqwalisa, but sidayithane isikhathi sikuze kuthiwane mayithwane angitshela athi like I'm thinking of ngiyothatha i-loan and then ngizolobola because I just don't want ukuthi ufile ngathi wena uyuziwe, because I know ukuthi from the onset bofuna ukuthi wena uluze ubuntombi bakho to your husband, so rather me ngibe your husband. What I was just saying, if ever uzofuna ukungilobola nge-loan, rather ungangiloboli, take the money now, we save it until already ukuthi utloba monna waka ke mo utlo ntjang magadi, but ungangiphilela amagadi nge-loan, then uzostruggleisha after magadi izos affecta thina as a couple. Ugayi uthi angitshela ukuthi mara don't worry, if ever ngoba uyayala indaba i-loan ngizokulobola ungawari. But I was sure Simon was a sweet guy. No sweet guy. Uthi emsebenzini kuze this other lady intern, so two ladies, so two Lily uhle Lily sesale intern, mina emsebenzini already sengipermanent sengihola kahle than before. Yabona uthi makafika i-intern, hayi mina no Lily vele sibe bangani ukuthi Lily uthanda ukuphuma out, uthanda ukuya kumaphaphu, uthanda ukwenzani. Uthi le ndaba nongijoin team hore I'm going out no Lily. So uthi Simon each and every time, since ufika this lady like you're always out, why? I'm trying to explore like in big. I haven't done izinto so now because I'm not someone's wife, can I write or nkatswa ke didn't take book kai but I was just only this guy likutsumela lelo ngoba ubale chelete. So athana like begam treata kahle, or I was just nam treata sharp athi ngene no Lily mode only like bega vele uyathole princess treatment, like mangibheka uSimon shemuntu wami nini nakana petrol fanele ngimxolise nge100 rand, like ngicale vele lama feelings benginawo for wena, acale vele anciphi nini nakana gas fanele ngimthengele igesi e100 rand nini ala ngithonse ke motlatsa but uthi like ama feelings la benginawo vele acale vele anciphi ngoba ukuthi this person I know ukuthi I said I want to get married kuye because of lele nami but as keep yabona uthi hayi ngisiphume out ukwenze ukuthi one day uLily masiphuma umuntu wakhe likuthumela leli vele lihleli a friend, lo muntu lo umngani le boyfriend kaLily uthi lize ne friend uthi awushozi mothoba lechelto nomona ahlahela ko hore o unkachelete uthi awushozi ubhuti muhle, ubhuti nikamnandi, ubhuti wangapha South African asili organ double English the capital letters. But I was choosing ngaba uthathekile from first time ngimbona ubhuti uthi ubhuti makazo approach akhuluma nami already mina bese ngidecide lo robona iakarwa mpatla kodumela uthi brothers as introduce usothi brothers usem as introduce kimi, how are you in utivele reveal that small nyana talk uthi sikhulume usem on nice ukusem unkhomonati semuna meno mathuba at usem umuhle ugcoke decent kulobona uthi as introduce usem ukuthi yena uyini therapy ne in utashoza izinto ezinye bengacabanganga ngingazilalelanga because of glued up to this guy. Uthi ayo some as introduce bele sikruvelela ngokuba emnandi but second location angazi one of their friends bengayenza i-party emzini wakhe kube ukuthi sathathana no Lily ne boyfriend yakhe no Sam. Uthi asifika lapha ashoze makuthumela wodi mama kuthumela uthi bekukuthumela phezulu kwekuthumela uthi like mawuvela nje ubona ngeparking ukuthi la kunabantu abaserious awona bathu balibare ngihlathe ka 100 rand abateng uthi awusozilewela ngavela uSimon encondweni nami ngavele ngamkhipha ngavele ngamdelete car this is the life that I want. Angifuni lempilo ka Simon, ngifuna impilo ye soft life. Ula awushoze we went there uthi masifika lapha yana sa treatiwa nje ngihamba like bathu bakobukhoshing uthi sa treatiwa nje ngerespect be serviwa left right and center or same aka introduce abantu athi madam introduce mina ngaleso sikhathi asho madam or I was just like bengithathekile ay uthi kube mnandi epartyini after party vele ba decide ukuthi ngihanje usemathi you know what mama let me go drop you la hlala khona then sizobonana. Or I was just azange try anything funny usem nami uvele wafika wangidrop egedini azange ngicaphuza wathi hayi mama sisizokhuluma ke ahamba. Or I was just like azange ngilala picturing my life no Sam, picturing me being a wife ka Sam ngiyabona. What else was the following morning umuntu angifonela uSam, how are you, ulele njani, ufike njani endlini, yabona. What else was like ngibona hore this person I'm falling for him, uthi hayi sikube ukuthi communication iqala kanjalo, saqala vele sachatha saxoxa mangizoshayisa uSam was like, will you mind if I come and pick you up mawushayisa? I was like, no, I don't mind. What else was remember leso sikhathi ukuthi the building engapha ila kusenza khona Simon, mithina sisebenza ngapha. So if ever ngiyehla ngiya downstairs uSam if uphezulu yakhona ukungibona. So uthi ngathi I don't mind because Simon ngimkhiphile encondweni. Or awusozi ikuthumela lezi ngemoto or let's ka the latest X5 fike vele or utla ka sound or ufikile dikoloi tse di important uthi vele fike vele aphe ame ngaphandle athi outside or awusozi ngisho ngishapa ketho kuya konke uthi manyanga ngaphandle like isikhathi sami sokushayisa already Simon naye uziprepare ukuthi mangiphuma ngimthole ngaphandle or awusozi ngithola imoto emile uthi mangithi claps ngibona imoto ka Simon is very slow or ka khutlu ngavula imoto ngaphakathi imoto yahamba or awusozi ngabona ukuthi uSam ushocked uthi ngayenza ngathi angambona uthi ngimbheke ngeremira yemoto uthi ngabona ukuthi umuntu umile lapha yana like ushocked azanke bahlole ukuthi kena na life ya poverty akibahle and uSam ngamtshelanga uSimon ngamtshelanga ukuthi mina I want out uthi Sam uthi usemvela ngitshela ukuthi ayi mina nginomfazi nginalemsadi but usemakhaya I do have a wife. If you don't mind, you can be my side chick. Wala negoli. What else was azange ngifuna ukuphisana noSam. Ngavele ngavuma same time Karis. No, it's fine. I can be your side chick. Uthi mina noSam wabo kudithana kwethu like that. Uthi uSam mina ngidithana na isikhathi like we will go out masifuna ukwenza into sabantu abadala ngizobhuka azangaze kwami the only time akaza kwami ungidropa egedini uyandlula uyandlula akangeni like inside indawo yami uthi siyabhuka each and every time siyabhuka uthi one thing ngithi kanti why sibhuka like mina I live alone I do have a place so why are we booking kanti wena la uhlala khona uhlala nobani na usemathai someone like no ngihlala ngiwani but angifuni ukuletha like abantu bayenza ama up and down kwamendleni so uzoza the minute vele official ukuthi umuntu wami for now usesemuntu umusha empilweni yami so angeke ngikhona ukuletha kwami so Kelly was like no mina indaba ukuthi sihamba siyabhuka every time mina I do have a place if you want to come to my place you can come uSam athi ngoba wena uthi umuntu rather first umuntu wakho and then that's when la ungitshela khona ukuthi I can come over because angifuni ukuthi one thing lapha yana sesulwa nomuntu sibanga wena into engayifuni uthi awusijozi lelo la ngavele ngifonela uSimon ngicela ukuthi uzela ukuthi vele bekunama fights already ukuthi ngiyachitha ngiphike ngithi hayi lo muntu lona ngiyamazi from emakhaya ngiphike or awusijozi ngibiza uSam afika like he's excited to see me uthi ngimfike ngitshela ngithi you know what angifuna umushela isikhathi Sam mina I understand ukuthi mina nawe senzeni enime ngaqala yonke into but I feel like mina nawe like our life goals are not the same so it's not about ukuthi ungihethile or anything it's not you it's me ukwabe ukuthi ngiyamyeka kanjalo Hi awusozi vele uSimon angicela ngiyacela ngenzi so ngiyacela angincenge ngicela abazali bami ukuthi ngizokulobola I told my friends my colleagues about you ungenzi so or awusozi vele angidini ngithi hey mina nawe indaba yami indaba yethu iphelile so ngicela ukuthi uphuma empilweni yami ngicela ukuthi phakame uphume uthi awusozi vele ngimxoshe kanjalo vele umuntu abantu vele ahambe vele ashoshobene aphume ngemnyango ngabi netaba ke sikaba letaba ukuyabona because of monna wakwachelite uthing same so like why for ukuthi ngistress ngoSimon maxolisa nge100 na 150 uthi qeda lana vele ngifonele uSam uthi ngitshela ukuthi nendaba leyana ngiyenzile so now I'm very single and available for you alone one uthi uSam vele abe excited uthi athi kimi athi will you mind if I can come over endaweni yakho manje na girls uthi ngathi say no we can come athi uSam athi ngicela ngithumele ipin location I will come over late nyana uthi okay ngithumele asosike or kaphutha kyathapa ngiyakonkhama nathi phela ngiyakonkhama nathi for my man awushozi vele ngihlale ngize ngipheke uthi mangiceda ukupheka umuntu vele anokhe makanokha vele uye uthi ngivele umnyango uthi abuthi uthwere a bouquet of roses athi yabona lawa sobona ku Insta lawa makhulu uthi uthwere wona uthwere champagne uthwere a box of chocolates uthwere yabona lama watch lawa ama brands lawa hamba ngathi upisa gcwele la TikTok uyabona uthi ungithengele nayo futhi ungithengele ne handbag lawa dura expensive ufunda ketsona athi this athi ama gifts ukuthi you're officially mine and mine alone or I was or like nginokampona bokampona the way like I was so excited ukuthi ngiyaqala ukuthengela umuntu izinto expensive ngathi ngiyaqala ukuthengela umuntu izinto and befuthi expensive or I was just ngimtshela ukuthi ngicela ukuphakela guy was like okay I sidle seyithuna or rekhatlele kusofoni or guy was like you know what awufuna ukuthi start this steam session rese ko kamare girl was like asambe or saya ko kamare afihla ko kamare kwaba indaba yakhona or I was just masiqeda usem was like no I can't sleep here una lafa ngothi ngikhona I need to catch a flight ekseni kakhulu so can I leave sizokhuluma kusasa and then sizohlangana or I was just because of like I'm excited for the zangethi sengizona uthi ngabi nendaba ukuthi uyahamba uyalala I don't care uthi hayi ngimphezele vele downstairs ngimphezele vele afike emotweni angicabuza usem kube ukuthi uyahamba kanjalo uthi ifonele ithatha ifoni ngithi Lily my friend come over uzibona ukuthi umuntu ongithengeleni uthi Lily makafika vele ngimkhiphela zonke izinto ngiyami uthi Lily was like so excited yo finally moto wakhe my friend unale moto hayi lo muntu lo ngumuntu okhoma ngesikorokoro kulabo uthi hayi ngimbuza ukuthi kanti usem like unomfazi Lily was like no thina usem asimazi kahle bazana true umsebenzi and ngani ngihlangana naye kuma pub or masiyenza ama meeting kuma restaurant we've never been mina no ikudzumela we've never been to Sam's house so ngatela amanga ngathi ngiyamazi personally hayi uthi vele Lily naye vele athi you know what let me go friends sobona na vele kusasemsebenzini ngobe like that or I was just sekirobala uthi ekseni mangivuka umbhede like red gas uthi ngizimangala ukuthi kanjani like noma ngaba ke ma period akubi like this yabona uthi umphethe ucwele gas uthi ngiyasibama vele ngimanzi nte ngathi ngizichamelile uthi vele ngivuke vele ngigeze vele ngikhiphe vele izinto ngikhiphe bedding ngifake emshinini or awushozi ngiyavuka ngiyageza ngiyaqoqa ngifaka ipad like a normal pad lesijwala ukuthi yalifaka uthi ngiyafaka izinto zempedeni uthi vele ngiyabutha uthi mangithi ngiyazisa ukuthi le pad like already seliqwele uthi within 10 minutes seligcwele uthi hayi man what's going on uthi ngikhiphe ngwafaka uthi ngwastick oyi2 manje ngwenze like this wastick or awushozi bekitswa madi bekerotha madi ngari kipompi uthi hayi ngibona ukuthi legazi leli ba too much ngifonela Lily man hayi man asingiphuma igazi enaliphuma ngendlela right yabona uthi ngimchazela ukuthi kwenzakalani Lily was like no go to the doctor girl hamba edoctor ngasezemsebenzini go to the doctor babona ukuthi kwenzakalani yabona mangifika doctor ngibuza first thing like were you pregnant ngithi sure are you sure bengasi pregnant doctor ba check no I was not pregnant but igazi liyaphuma alidlali liyaphuma or also doctor you know what let me transfer you refer you to esibhedlela hamba esibhedlela babona ukuthi what's going on uthi masife esibhedlela bangicheck bara nama test bangatholi banga understand ukuthi what's going on ngami uthi hayi vele bangifake vele kuma drip bangifake vele ku medication trying to stop legazi leli or awushozi ngibe ngifonela umama wami sengiyathuka phela manje or ake esibhedlela bese sithi kenze towel not amapha itowel cause like ngiba manzi lokho serious ngifonela umama wami ukuthi hey mama ngisenkingeni ngiphuma igazi kuphi esibhedlela mama was like oh ngicela ngwana kade xobona uthi makafika vele esibhedlela vele uthi athi yimi athi lisaphuma kakhulu uthi ngithi ngivule izinyawo ngifake itowel limanzi nte uthi mama was like ubona athi shona chikitha bathu nje alinyaka esibhedlela dinyakangaka ngwanaka uthi was like doctor ngicela ukuthi nimrelease I'm taking her somewhere else doctor bekala athi no what if we are bleed to death in athi ngire doctor ngwana umuntu releasing nakatsa orkinisha kukhaya or awushoze bangirelease kanjalo uma mama organize event or bebampili komrago ko vene ngodi masponge or kolo yatsamaya imoto yahamba uthi saya straight to Makhosi uthi asifika kuMakhosi mama was like Makhosi nangumntwana emergency ngesikhona kumama line hayi uMakhosi vele uthi yangithatha uthi makafika vele athi amathambo phansi athi wena wenzeni like like akinahanele Sam angicabangi into esnacks like ngithi ngenzeni ngana yikho into engiyenzile athi wena ulele nomuntu wrong sis ulele nomuntu wrong and you sleeping with this person uvele wamnikeza ukuthi ngiyazi sacrifice ngegazi lami lithathe uthi uMakhosi athi wena phela like uli sacrifices uvumile ukuthi igazi lakho lithathwe uthi ngibe puzzle ukuthi ubani uSemo because I've been with Simon Skatisity and ayizange kube ne something so athi ukhona umuntu olele naye ongase right and uthwale ngawe ke manje so kumele ukuthi ubleed uzushone because uthwale ngawe utseri street isawo utseri buwena or awusijosi ngesikhihle sihleli ngithi hayi umuntu wami umusha uSem or kana ku awusijosi because of izinto bezenze azange ngimfonele uthi uMakhosi makhuluma ngicabanga vele uSem uthi mina I thought ukuthi something to do ngewumbu ngesibeletho something or maybe something is wrong azange ngicabanga indaba zakuMakhosi or awusijosi uMakhosi was like we need item yakhe iqoka for us ukuthi sinqabe this thing but I can delay the process ukuthi ungashona but igazi lokuphuma every day until you can find an item yakhe uqoka that's when sizoreverse this thing sibusele kuyi but for now ngano okobajabulwe bobothoreng uthi uMakhosi ahlanganisa izinto zakhe anginikeza ukuthi ngihlale ngisebenzisa every day I must not forget or ashuza kithi uMakhosi ethi angifonela usefoni kaSem ngini ngizama ku WhatsApp i-profile picture ngiyibona or ashuza ngithatha ifoni kaMama ngifonela uSem answer hello Sem kanti ungenzeni the minute azwa ivoice yami uSem ashuza or atima phone aba ukuthi ifoni ya drop or ashuza kibona uri musmutho kahle angazanga good intentions in my life bekafuna sacrifice ngami uthi ngifonela uLili ngitshela uLili 1 2 3 it's happening what's going on izinto vele nezenza uLili was like ay mina ngazi friend mina I don't have umuntu wami and ngesikhathi ngihlala naye so ukuthi uSem ukwenzeni I don't know because I told you mina ngathi uSem asimazi kahle I can tell my husband ukuthi try ukutrackela yena my boyfriend ukuthi try ukutrackela yena but like we don't know him like that yabona or awusijozi ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lo kahle unginyuzile uSem uthi awusijozi ngizame ukuthi like ama sports la bekuthala ukuhlangana naye uthi ngizama ukwahamba ungasamboni uthi ngitshela uLili ukuthi asitry ukutrap this person ukuthi ngimthole Lily was also trying to help me but azange sisimthole or awusijozi what I can tell you is that each and every day like I bleed angisakhona ukulalana angina boyfriend igazi laphuma even though lingasaphumi like kakhulu but I'm always each and every day on my periods or wona no aketsibolo ngathusha ke mang motho to reverse this thing because lo muntu Makhosi semhambile uthi uzofuna an item yakhe isigqoko yokuqoka but akunala ngimthola khona because he knows very well ukuthi wenzeni empilweni yami even the kutsumelela kaLili tried ukumtracka ukuthi amthole azange bamthole or awusijozi today phethe ke friend yakhe ya each and every day because of I left someone ongithanda anganamali because of kenyeka monna okwachelede only for him ukuthi ayenze ritual nami athi mangangibona ukuthi ungomelele kanjani kwakwabhloko from the day angihlangane nami to now ukuthi njani ungabuza ubuhlungu hey mali zosibulala guys amagutsumela awuthama ka Land Cruiser bazosibulala shem